Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Web to Tech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to update Airtm application. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on the search button at the bottom right corner. Go to the search bar on top and search for Airtm application. From here, tap on Airtm app on top. Now over here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it and make sure that your Airtm application is updated to its latest version. Once you update the app, you'll get latest features and also there will be fixation of bug issues on the application. So follow these easy steps in order to update Airtm app. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.